What's up, guys? For the immobilizer and the 2018 Charger, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Basically, it comes with two fobs. When you get out of the car, after 30 seconds, it will automatically engage itself. So basically, you don't have to do anything. Just get out of the car and walk away. The only thing you got to do before you start the car, once you sit in your chair, you hit this button right here, which is in your keychain. By the way, you'll have two of them in case you lose one, or his and hers or whatever. Just press this button here and then the car will start. I'm going to go ahead and show you the car won't start. See? Okay. Now, if I turn it off, I just wanted to show you the car won't start, but what you do when you jump in, you press this button here, and now you just start the car and drive away. It's as simple as that. Then when you turn off the car, it automatically comes on in 30 seconds, so you don't have to worry about forgetting if you're going to arm it or not or whatnot. Let's test out the remote start. Basically, I'm going to let it sit for 30 seconds. In the meantime, while we're waiting, there's other ways of doing this. I think this is the best way. This is a plug and play, basically. It's genius the way it is. Once you get your kit, you'll understand how genius it is. Oh, by the way, if you're going to put it on the valet mode, you can hit the lock, the top, bottom. That means that you can start the car 10 times before it comes out of the valet mode by itself. And if you get the car back right away and you want to take it out of valet, you just hit the bottom top, and that takes it out of valet. I'm going to go ahead and close the door, and I'm going to make sure that this thing remote starts. I'm going to give it a few more seconds, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this button here, and then we'll do the remote start. Okay, that way we can answer some questions without getting tons of emails. Okay, basically I'm going to let it do another 15 seconds, and then I'll go ahead and do it because I want to make sure that I went past that 30-second countdown when you turn off the car. Anybody who has TRX, Challenger, Charger, those are the most three stolen cars in the United States right now. Even the 1500 Ram, 2500 TRX. So I'm going to go ahead and press this button, and I'm going to go ahead and do the remote start. So yeah, you can remote start it. Just one more little step. Press this, and then hit this. If your car is locked already, I guess you don't have to do this process. Just press my fob and twice here, and I will remote start the car. It's one more process, but I'd rather you have a process than not have a car at all. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Who's ever's interested in doing these mobilizers on these type of Chargers. The toggle switch is something we used to do back then. I mean, it works better than nothing, but it's played out. Everybody knows about those toggles already. It's been played out too long. And not to mention, the day you forget to flip the toggles, probably with anybody's luck, is the day they rip the car off. This, you don't have to worry about flipping anything. Just get out of the car, close the door, it engages itself in 30 seconds, and then just press this button on the fob, and then you can start your car. Numbers again are 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.